So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with, of course, another influencer VOXBOX. Now, it's been a while since I've done an unboxing from influencer. I'm really excited to do this one because it is makeup, okay? So Influencer and Urban Decay sent me the new Urban Decay and Robin Essenberg palette. So I am super excited to show you guys the swatches and how the palette looks. Today I did play in it, of course, did something real simple. So y'all will definitely see that in this video. Y'all know how it is when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. I will get into the details about it, then I'll show you guys the swatches. And of course, I will let you guys know how I feel about the palette. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so it came in this big old box, real cute, okay, real cute. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so of course they sent me this little paper. It says Urban Decay and Robin Essenberg Notorious Naked Payoff Surreal Staying Power up to 12-hour wear, infinitely velvety and beyond blendable, vegan and vibrant, cool and not cruel. And then on the back, of course, you guys know, if you are familiar with influencer, sometimes we have to do certain things. So if you are interested in joining influencer and getting free products, make sure you guys check the description box below and click on that link that is provided. I will also pin it in the comments as well. But anywho, yeah, on the back is just letting me know what I need to do as far as completing my campaign. And then they just have this little thing, which is online bullying hurts in real life. The Cyber Smile Foundation. This is something recently that Urban Decay was doing, and I saw it on influencer as well on the app. So in the box, they sent me their Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, which was the first time I used, not today, but I used it the other day. So yeah, I would definitely show you guys how this looks. I'm not a huge fan of the primer. I just feel like it was kind of useless in my opinion, but you know, there could be other people that like it. Of course, I'm probably gonna use it, but as you guys will see later on in the video when I did the eye tutorial, pretty much put concealer on top of it. And then of course we have the main girl of the show, the Urban Decay and Robin Essenberg eyeshadow palette. So here's how the packaging looks. It is super cute, definitely caught my eye. And then of course in the back, y'all know it has the ingredients, all that stuff. It has the name of the eyeshadows and all of that. So this is a limited edition. I'm really excited to get this. So of course it says, blast off into intergalactic holidays, discover your inner cosmos with our limited edition Naked and Robin Essenberg eyeshadow palette. This all new out of this world spectrum of 12 shades transfers you from joyful, color-filled California sunsets to big banging celestial stardust. I think I said that correctly. Space out for the holidays, which is a muted burgundy glitter, while feeling a bright and fiery like a mango sun, which is a coral matte. There's no time like the future, so go hard or go to your home planet, which is a bright periwinkle matte with an alien babe, which is navy blue glitter by your side. Our signature naked eyeshadow formula means these cosmic mattes, shimmers, and glitters are velvety, ultra blendable, and keep the good vibes going for eons. Limited edition artwork designed by LA-based artist Robin Essenberg. So that's pretty exciting. So again, this is how the palette looks. Super cute. And look at these. Look at these gorgeous colors. I will insert a video in this video that I uploaded on my Instagram story so you guys can really see the colors, but they are super pretty. So as usual, Urban Decay's palettes, it's been a while since I've gotten an Urban Decay palette, last like a couple years. So as y'all can see, Urban Decay for the most part always has 12 shades, and of course it came with the brush. I didn't use the brush yet, not ready to use the brush. And of course they have the mirror, which is very helpful as well. I don't always use the mirror, but this time I kind of did. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these shades for you. I'm gonna insert a picture because y'all know sometimes it's a little too bright, you can't really see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my bracelets off because I'm gonna swatch it on my forearm. So the first shade that I'm gonna swatch is Moon Sand, Solar Storm, Holster, Ion, which I used today, Mango Sun, and Expo Planet, which I also used today. So these shades right here are definitely gorgeous. So these are the first 6. So like I said, I will insert a picture in there for you guys to see. Now, once again, I did use Expo Planet and I did use Ion. Ion looks like a shimmer. Expo Planet looks like the glitter one. So really pretty. Alright, so the next shades that I'll be swatching is Foxfire, which I used today. Oh, and also I did use Solar Storm today as well. I used that as my transition shade. So then we have Holidays, Home Planet, which I used the other day, but I didn't too much like the look. Ice Crater, I used the other day as well. Alien Babe, I used the other day as well, and Space Rod, which I also used the other day. So here are the other 6. Now, I really do like the glitter and shimmery shades. They are super pretty. Of course, I haven't used all the shades, but so far with the matte, I love the Solar Storm and Foxfire. Like I had said, I did use Home Planet the other day, which was that blue, but I didn't too much like it. I'll try it again to see. Maybe it was just that day and I was just impatient. I got impatient. I'm not too sure, but right now I'm not too much feeling that matte shade. But the other ones that I have used, definitely like, and of course, like I said, I automatically love these shimmer and glitter shades because they came off so pretty. So again, this is the look that I created today. I used 4 shades. Very simple, very simple and very quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the eye tutorial for you guys. It'll be really short, and then I will come back and let you guys know how I feel about the palette overall. All right, so as y'all can see, I have one eye done. It's very simple. I had to make a TikTok because I did receive this palette from Influencer and Urban Decay, so it was a couple things I needed to do, so that's why I have one eye done now. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this eye. So they had sent me their Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. The other day was the first time I actually used it, and I used it by itself without, you know, the usual concealer. And when I was blending out the eyeshadow, it could have been that shade. I'm not too sure, but I just feel like it may have been the primer. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the primer on my eye, and then I'm going to put the concealer on top because I want to make sure, of course, that the colors pop. Alright, so today I used 4 shades out of this palette. So the first shade that I'm going to use is Solar Storm, which I'm going to use as my transition shade. right, so now I'm gonna go in with Foxfire, and I'm going to put that in my crease. So now I use 2 shimmer shades and I just piled it on top. So I'm gonna go in with Exoplanet and Ion. So Exoplanet is this like burgundy shade and Ion is this gold shade. So the first one I'm gonna apply first is Exoplanet. Then I'm gonna go on top with Ion. Then I'm just gonna repeat the process. Alright, so this is the eye look that I'm going for today. Real simple. Once again, I just used 4 shades, okay? Just used 4 shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a very long time, but y'all know pretty much been using the same thing. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner, do the little wing liner, add my mascara, add some lashes and all that stuff. I'm gonna finish up my face, and then I am going to come back and show you guys the final look, and of course finish up the review for y'all. So I will be right back. So here is the final look. As y'all can see, I completed my face. Had to add some highlighter, all of that good stuff. Like I said, once again, I did use 4 shades and 4 shades only. Super quick, super easy, and it came out super cute. Now as far as this palette, I don't think I have an Urban Decay palette like this. Of course, if you are familiar with Urban Decay, for the most part, they always repeat at least a couple of shades. So like Foxfire, which I used today, Exoplanet, Holidays, Solar Storm, Ion, I think Mango Sun. That kind of reminds me of some other palettes that I have. Like I have the Naked Heat, I have the Naked Honey one. So those shades kind of remind me of those. But it's cool. It is okay. But the palette, the swatches are nice. The pigmentation so far is very, very nice, like really, really nice. So I really do like this palette. I'm probably gonna get some use out of it. Probably will. Can't make any promises, because if you know me as of lately, which as of lately has been a very long time, I've been kind of lazy with my makeup, and I just like do the same type of looks, playing the same type of colors. But I want to get some use out of my palettes again, so I will probably start doing makeup tutorials again on my channel. I'm not too sure. We'll see. Because like I said in my last little eye makeup tutorial that I did, sometimes y'all watch them, sometimes y'all don't. But I do still have people who are interested in seeing them. So I'll probably just get back into it and, you know, show you guys. So if you guys have any recommendations, of course, let me know. Now again, as far as the eyeshadow primer, wasn't too much a fan of it, but I will get some use out of it. But if you have ever used the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, let me know down below in the comments how you like it. Like, does it work for you? I just feel like the first couple times that I actually used it, which was today and last Friday, I didn't too much like it. Okay, today is October 12th, okay? So, because I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video, but the first time I used this, I used it last Friday, which I think was like, what, the 7th or something? And then I used it today, and I'm just not really a fan of it. I'm not really a fan of it, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Y'all know it's been a while since I've done a video like this as far as like eyeshadow swatches and reviews, so I probably left out a couple things. I probably rushed it, not too sure, but you know, we'll get back into it slowly but surely. But once again, if you guys are interested in joining Influencer, make sure you guys click on my referral link down below and join so you can start getting some free products. But I do want to thank Influencer and of course Urban Decay for sending me this palette and sending me the eyeshadow primer as well. I really do appreciate it. So of course that is it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you have this palette, let me know down below how you feel about it, and all that stuff. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.